Hey, MonkeyBoo, it's banana time. MonkeyBoo, are you the mushy banana eater? Come up here, Boo. We got you a banana. You gonna eat it? He's even got his banana diaper on. Yeah, eat it. That's not really how you peel it, but okay. This is a special banana video. I've even got my banana suit on for you, Boo. Oh. Really? Okay. He don't like how it feels on his hands. Quit wiping your hands on it. A banana with a monkey on the shoulder eating a banana. Head whipping good. Mmm. That's a tasty banana, Boo. Don't do that, Boo. Alright, that's a good way to end it. Boo said he's done with his bananas. I'll lick my fingers for me or something. Thank you. This one. Thank you very much. Yeah, I do like you to me. I'll wipe my hands off on you. Alright, Boo. That's a good boy. Thank you guys for watching. Will you give me a kiss? Oh, you go, boy. See you guys in the next video.
Jumping and skipping with MonkeyBoo. Come along and share a grin.